Hi, I'm Heidi McCurdy, and I'm here with the Wheat Institute to invite you to an upcoming workshop we have that's a professional development training for educators. This is a 3-hour workshop in April on using music and poetry to bring more calm and focus to your classroom. So I'll be sharing some techniques like vocal toning, simple drumming, soundscapes, playing with found instruments, and imaginal poetry. These techniques help your students to communicate to each other, build a safer community for creative collaboration, connect their inner and outer world, and also develop more mindful nervous system regulation and emotional regulation skills. And of course, with all that fun and relaxation, the teachers get lots of wellness benefits as well. So it's good for all of us. And as an expressive arts therapist and voice and music specialist, I really love to share these strategies and techniques that you can use even if you don't have any confidence or experience with poetry or music, and that you can apply the very next day in your classroom. So hope to see you there.